is Grandma again with the next story. You remember yesterday we told you that on the day 6, God made Adam, Eve, and all the four-legged animals. And before that, God had made birds, the fish, the fruit trees, sun, moon, stars, and air, and light, and beautiful land. Okay, and then God kept them in a beautiful house called Eden Garden. Eden Garden was filled with beautiful tall trees and with many trees having lots of delicious fruits. Can you name the names of fruits again? Oh, some of you like banana and orange and apples and strawberries and many fruits. But God is God of love. He told them, you are free to eat all the fruits you want. Only there is one tree in the garden which you are not supposed to eat. That was just to see if Adam and Eve obey God. Just like, do you obey your mama and daddy? Yes, of course, you are good children. You all love to obey your daddy and mommy because whatever rule they are setting is good for you. So God placed them, and every day Adam and Eve used to walk around the trees, and whenever they wanted, they would get hold of beautiful fruits and would pluck them and eat them and had good time. And at the evening, God used to come close to them, and he used to come and sit with them, and God would talk with them and teach them all about nature. He would talk to them about the stars, about the moon, about the sun, and how he created this earth. And he used to tell them about the small trees and tall trees, the big shrubs and the small ones, about the grass, about the animals. And also he told Adam, all the animals you see around, you can name them. So one day, as Eve was walking around, maybe Adam was busy doing something, but Eve was walking all alone, walking in the garden, looking at this tree. Oh, wow, looks nice. And then looking at that tree. And she said, oh, wow, God has made the world so beautiful. She was thanking God. And all of a sudden, she came close to a big tree. And she was touching and saying, oh my God, it looks so lush, so nice. And all of a sudden, she heard a whistle. And she said, who's that? She said, oh, Adam is not with me. Who is this? I haven't heard somebody whistling. And then she looked around, and she looked around. She went around and see among the other trees. Oh, there's nobody. And then she heard the sound. Eve, hey Eve. And he said, oh. Again she looked for Adam. Where is Adam? No, he's not with me. And then again the voice came, Eve. And she looked up. Oh, there she saw a big serpent. And this serpent was very special, you know. He had wings and he could fly from this branch to the other branch. And she got scared. And the snake said, Eve, don't get scared. You see this plant? Oh, this tree is so nice. Look at the red fruit. This is so nice. If you eat this, your eyes will open. And she said, no, 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 no. God told us not to eat this, not to even touch. He said, look, I'm touching, I'm eating. Nothing is happening to me. Only God doesn't want you to become wise as He is. It is nice. And when she looked at the fruit, it was nice to touch and smelled nice. And there saliva came. She said, it must be tasty, yummy. Oh, and she extended her hand up and she picked up the fruit and she took a bite. Yum, yum. This is nice. And then she felt that, oh, this was the fruit I shouldn't have eaten because God had told us not to eat. Then she went and she gave half of the fruit to the Adam. Hey Adam, you eat also. And Adam ate also. And he said, Eve, oh no, 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 what happened? And they went and they hid quickly. They hid among the branches. And because they were ashamed, they knew that God will come. And they felt that, oh, phew, clothes are gone. They were hiding among the trees. And God came and God said, Adam, Eve, where are you? Where are you, Adam, Eve? And Adam said, oh God, I was so scared. Oh, I was so scared of you because we disobeyed you. And God said, oh, so you ate the fruit I told you not to eat? And he said, yes, God, we were so foolish. We listened to and Adam said, because God, you gave me this lady to be with me. This woman was with me and she told me to eat. And God said, oh, didn't you know you should obey God? And they said, yes, God, we are so sorry. And God is God of love. He said, I will forgive you, but there is a price to pay. My son, Jesus Christ, will come and he will die on the cross for you. Then you will be forgiven. And they were so sad. But God said, Adam, Eve, you have to get out of this garden. So they were so embarrassed and they were crying, crying and holding each other's hand. Oh, we lost our house. We lost our house. And they were crying and they went out of their house. So after that, they were told never to enter the house Eden garden. And there was a bright angel was guarding with a very strong shining sword. Don't you ever dare to go in this house again. So with a shameful face, they were all bending their shoulders like this, and so they went out of the beautiful house garden Eden. So children, we should always obey to mama and daddy, because in obedience there is life and in disobedience there is punishment. God bless you. Continue to obey your moms and dads and be good boys and girls. God bless you. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.